What's up, YouTube modelers? Miguel here with DevilDog.Games. Just wanted to put out a video and announce my participation in the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators group build. I'm going to participate in this one. I've recently kind of held off on doing a lot of builds because I'm so far behind on all these other builds. I shouldn't even be entering this, but I couldn't pass up on this one, so I'm going to jump in and participate. I'm going to show you the kit I'm building. It's going to be this 70 Plymouth Roadrunner. Now, I have a couple of these. I have one of these in my stash that's unopened. This is one that I had started previously that I'm going to strip and build. In the build off, you can do either the 70 Plymouth Roadrunner or the GTX kits. Either one of those is fine. This is the one I'm going to do. You can see here the kit has been started. Like I said, I'm going to show you the parts here, but I started working on this one, had some ideas what I was going to do with it, and even painted the body this god-awful color and did a terrible job. You can see some spots there, so I'm gonna have to strip this and start over. But as you can see, otherwise the parts are all there and mostly unassembled. The only thing looks like the engine was assembled. I don't know if I did that or if I just painted it, but I'm not going to use that engine anyway. So anyway, just wanted to show off the kit and announce my participation, and so I hope everyone else who's participating has really cool plans for their builds. Can't wait to see what everybody's doing. Jump in there and participate if you're a YouTube or other content creator and you want to get in on this. It's hosted by Mark Batson and Lucas C. Lots of really cool builders out there that are participating, and I'm throwing my hat in the ring. Hope everybody has a good day. Take care and happy modeling.